Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check the stress statistics on your RingConn Gen 2 ring. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure that our ring right here is paired to the RingConn app. So it should look like that. And then you're going to click on Insights, and then you're going to scroll down to Stress. So you can click on this Stress tab, and you're going to have more options. So for example, you can check all of the other days like that if you have been using it that day. And if you have been using this ring for a while, your statistics should appear like this in here. So like for example, you can check the stress ratio, sleeping stress, stress summary, and other stuff like that. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.